Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we have to deal with the algebraical equations, Olympiad based algebraical equation to find the value of x. This is x upon 1 to x to the power 1 upon 10 plus x to the power 1 upon 15 plus x to the power 1 upon 30 is equal to 84. X to be found. Let us take the left hand side. That is, this can x to the power 1 upon 10. This can be written as, this is the left hand side, x to the power 1 upon 15 plus x to the power 1 upon 30. This can be written as that x to the power 3 upon 30 plus x to the power 2 upon 30 plus x to the power 3 1 upon 30. Okay, 30 is common. So that if let us suppose let x to the power 1 upon 30 is equal to y, then we can write it as y cube plus y square plus y is equal to 84. Okay. Now this can be further written as y cube plus y square plus y minus 84 is equal to 0. This 84 can be divided into three portions as 84 can be written as 64 plus 20, or this can be written as 4 to the power 3 plus 20 is equal to, this can be written 16 plus 4. That can be written as 4 to the power 3 plus 4 to the power 2 plus 4 to the power 1. So this 84 can be divided in terms of 4 as in this way. We can write 4 to the power 3 plus 4 to the y to the power 3 plus y square plus y. This is equal to minus 4 to the power 3 minus 4 to the power 2 minus 4 is equal to 0. 84 is divided in terms of these four number. Now this 4 can be taken with this. This is cube, this is cube, this is square, this is square, this is single, this is single. So that we can write it as 4 cube minus 4 to the power 3. A cube minus 4 to the power 3 plus y square minus 4 square plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. So this is y cube and 4 cube. It can further be written as we know the formula, or we know that a cube minus b cube, this can be written as a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. So in place of this we can write it as y minus 4 into y square plus 4 square plus 4y. Okay, plus in place of this is a square minus b square. This can be written as a minus b into a plus b. Okay, this is very well known to you. So this can be converted as y plus 4 into y minus 4, and this is as such y plus 4, y minus 4. It is very good, and it is, I think, till date, till this line you have understood. Don't leave my video in between. This is very important. You should be remain in this touch with this video. Now this is y minus 4, and this is also y minus 4. This is also y minus 4. We can take this is as a common one. Okay, we are going to take this y minus 4 as common one. Y minus 4, this is common, very common. Now this will be remain here, this will be remain here, this will be, and this will be 1. So that inside the within bracket we will get here y square plus 4 square plus 4y This is common, so that plus y plus 4 and plus 1. This is simply the equation in which this is equal to 0. So we are having two factors of this equation, that is y minus 4 into this is y square. This is 16 plus 4, 20, and plus 1, 21. And 4 plus 1 is 5y. 5y plus 21 is equal to 0. This is the equation. From here we can get the value of y, and from here we can get the value of y. Two values can be obtained by using first factor as 0. By putting this factor is equal to 0, then y will be equal to 4. Means case first, y minus 4 is equal to 0. It means y is equal to 4. This is the first case. Second solution is this one. In this we can compare, this is the quadratic equation in terms of y, so that the value of y can be obtained by using the quadratic formula, which is that second case, that y square plus 5y plus 21 is equal to 0, in which we can apply the formula with minus b. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5, and c is equal to 21. Now the value of y will be equal to these are the values of y. By putting this, y will be equal to minus b, that is minus 5, plus minus b square, that is 25, minus 4 times ac. 4 into a is equal to 1, c is equal to 21. The 4 into 1 into 21 upon 2 times a, 2 into 1, that is equal to minus 5, plus minus root of 25 minus 84. This is imaginary, which is not possible, because 2. This is minus 5 plus minus 84 minus 84 will be imaginary. So that y, the imaginary value of y is not possible. Not possible. So the value of y will only, we will treat the value of y is equal to 4. Using this, the value of x can be obtained for case 1. The x to the power 1 by 30 was supposed to be equal to y in the beginning of the question. So that x will be equal to y to the power 30, and y is equal to 4. It means 4 to the power 30. This is the answer. X is equal to y to the power 30. Okay, thanks for watching my video. This is Olympiad based questions, generally asked in Olympiad. So please, thanks for watching my video and remain in touch with my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe me. Okay, thank you. Good night. Good luck.